This page shows what kind of end face machining we offer for the end machining on the ball screw. We have a Z option, an S option, a G option, and a K option. Z option is your centering hole. Either could be a tapped hole or it could be a blind hole. S option is your hex socket. G option is your internal thread, and K is none. So for this example, I'm just going to choose none. Okay, now that we have our left end determined, we're going to go determine what our right end is. So this would be our right end, highlighted here on the screen. So depending on how your ball screw is set up and what kind of application you're running, you can either consider the floating end or a fixed end. So in this case, I'm going to configure it as a fixed end, which will give you a new variety of machining options on the next page. So as you can see here, the selection for fixed end is different than what's on the float end page. The basic forms are shown here, and I'm just going to pick one. I'm going to pick this one, 51, for this example. So it shows it up here, which you selected down here. And I'll go to the next page. This page shows more specifics on the right end machining. Like the float end, you can see there's a standard end form 120 that we offer, which will give you these dimensions. Or you can modify the dimensions, and again, it will restrict you where need be. Like the float end, you have the Z, S, G, and K end face options. I'm just going to choose K for this example. Now on this page, it will give you options to choose the overall length or the threaded length. Overall length being from end to end, and threaded length being just the length of the threaded material. So I'll just put in an overall length, just 1,000 millimeters, to continue on. The type of report that we offer a standard report. We also offer a lead test report, which is a report showing the amount of lead error you have in your screw. For the CAD drawing, it's not going to matter, so I'm just going to choose the standard report. So this gives you an overall view of what you selected in the previous pages. On the right-hand side, you can request a 2D or a 3D drawing. So for this example, I'll show you how to request a 3D drawing. So after choosing the 3D link on your right-hand side, this shows you the types of 3D formats we offer. We offer format in Pro E, Step, IGES, Parasolid, VDA, CATIA V4, CATIA V5, SAT, or PDF 3D. So to obtain this model, you just put your email address here and press this button, Request CAD Model. Here's an example of a 3D model that you'll get. This is saved in Adobe 3D, so as you can tell, this is not exactly as we had done in the example itself, but this is just an example in general of what kind of model you will get. If you have any further technical questions on this configurator or linear motion products in general, you can call 704-714-8697 for our technical group. Thank you very much for watching this presentation. Have a good day.